In this video, let's learn how to remove your mobile lock screen pin. Now you can see this A06 mobile has mobile pin. Let's learn how to remove this pin. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to lock screen option. In here you can see screen lock type. Click on it. Now you want to type your pin. In here you can remove your pin. You can set swap option or none option. Now I select swap option. Okay, now this mobile has not a screen lock pin. Let's check. The pin is removed. This is swap lock method. In this method you can remove your mobile lock screen pin.